Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your USB-C headphones are not detected by your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, try cleaning the charging port of your device using a soft brush. Just carefully insert a soft brush into the charging port and try remove any debris or dust or dirt that could have potentially got stuck in here. Then restart your phone by holding down the power button and volume up key for a couple of seconds. Select reboot and wait until your device is restarted. Try using an original or certified adapter if you are using one to connect your headphones. So if you are using a USB Type-C to mini jack adapter and it doesn't work with your headphones, then try another pair of headphones, and if it doesn't work with them, then replace it with an original one or a certified one. Then you can also check your device's software by going to Settings, About Phone, Xiaomi HyperOS, and check if you have the latest software version. And if you have any software updates for your device, then download and install the most recent version and let your device reboot. And at this point, this should resolve your issue. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.